What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you some examples for add and subtract square roots. First one is 2 root 2 minus 7 root 2. The answer is get 2 minus 7 times root 2, which is negative 5 root 2. Next example, we have 8 root 2 minus 9 root 2. The answer is 8 minus 9 root 2, or negative 1 root 2. We normally don't write the 1, so it's going to be negative root 2. Next example, 5 root 3 minus 9 root 3. Answer is 5 minus 9 root 3, which is negative 4 root 3. Next example is 3 root y plus 4 root y, or square root of y. The answer will be 3 plus 4 times square root of y, which is 7 root y, or square root of y. Next is 2 root x plus 7 root x. The answer is 2 plus 7 root x, or 9 root x. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.